back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Josh and Flag going to come out.
Cheer team, once again, you are really supporting a good cheerleading squad over here at the Wythe Raceway. And we also have some more 50-50 tickets going around. You can see them there walking down. Like I said, your last call for a guaranteed shot at $800 tonight. Man, I'll tell you, I'll take $800.
I think we should just split that. I mean, come on.
$800, I almost think will buy you a full set of American Racer tires.
Or a couple juice box racers.
Or hey, you can get a couple of them as well to get that as well. So checkered flag is waving, the all blacked out juice box drivers down there, and hopefully they do a driver interview down there and see if we can learn about them. It's down to you there, Mr. Pit Reporter. I believe that's Goldberg, correct?
Good job, Jaden. What's your name, buddy?
Jalen.
Jay, how old are you?
4.
How old?
4.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay, good job.
You gonna hold the flag? Get your picture.
When you get done, they park alongside those lady down here at the victory lane sign. She's singing an anthem in that blue building.
Good job, Jaden. This is a 36 volt. That was a 24 volt. Lily Dunford, come on up. Joshua Bentley. Jalen Tate. Mr. Oliver. Oliver Worrell. Brindley Hudgens. Come on up a little bit. And Colin Dillow. These are all your bigger kids in the 36 volts.
Everybody ready?
All right, on your mark, get set, go! Lap number 1. Well, these kids are flying. Lap number 4. All right, last lap. Got some loud traffic. Here they come. 3-way run for the checker flag. Thank you. Right here, I think.
I'm pretty sure it's higher.
Oh, shoot.
Way to go, buddy! That's
Look at me
you!
and say cheese. You can take the helmet off.
Go quick. Let Daddy unhook it. Go get a good picture.